Okay, so if you remember, I recently got a Civivi knife. Guess what? I told you I wanted more. This is a Brazen, WLM C2023B Burgundy G10 handle, black stonewashed D2 blade. This is another Civivi, and I can already tell you I want more. I'm sure this is all the same stuff that was in the other one, so we're not going to go through all that again. And the same nice little inside. Now this was not $29. This was $50. And so again, this one's called the Brazen. Yep, the Brazen. And I like it. You know, I love red. Red is my favorite color. It definitely is. This burgundy, though, is nice. I like that. It's close to red G10, just like the handles. And again, these handles, when you see the layering, it's nice and rounded. It's smooth. There's no sharp corners on it. Everything is nice there. And again, the lanyard loop, I won't use it, but it is just a nice addition. It's cool to have on there. It's also got that same grippy feel to it, so it's a nice grip. I don't think there's any issues with that. So let's open it. Oh my gosh. So this one is even smoother. See, okay. There it is. I mean, it just falls. There's nothing holding that blade. Now, but it is a good solid catch. It's held there pretty tight. I don't think there's any issues about it would open. But I don't. You know what? I think it's about this. It's a larger blade. I think it is. So let me see. Let's see here. A little bit of a dent on my finger, so it takes a little bit of force to get that blade moving. There we go. Short stroking it. Look, I think this one's gonna be hard to. There we go. All right, so we got a storm coming here, and we just lost power, blanked out. I don't know if I lost the video. I just got done recording, but I'm going to throw this in there real quick and be done with it. This is an extremely good knife. I love both of these Civivis, and I want more. So, love the practice, and I really love this Brazen. It's a little heavier, but they're both light, very light knives. I think there's not be any issues carrying these knives for as long as you want to. They're not going to weigh you down. They're smooth. I love it. Can't recommend them enough. So if you like this kind of content, I would ask that you would like and subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what you'd like to see. I mean, if we can work it out, we can work it out. But if you'd like to see anything or know dimension sizes or anything on these knives, I'm really not sure what people would want to see, how thick the blades are or what. I mean, I don't know. So just comment below and let me know what you'd like to know about them or any of the knives that I'm reviewing at the moment. And we'll do a video covering that on multiple knives. So anyway, I thank you. I appreciate you. Hope to see you again. Is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.